क्या फैशन ड्रिल की पहली असाइनमेंट के लिए तैयार हैं? Yes. You are all going to shoot for a print ad. तो इस असाइनमेंट के लिए आप पेयर्स में काम करेंगे. The girls will be dressed as brides. Grooms will be the boys.
Nice.
प्रियंका, क्योंकि आपको मैक्सिमम चेयर्स मिले, we are giving you the opportunity of choosing 2 boys. किसको चूज करना चाहेंगे आप? पुनीत?
प्रियंका ने सबसे पहले मेरे को चूज किया, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. She felt कि I am deserving, I am better.
And वीरेन?
बहुत सिंपल लड़की है, काम से मतलब है. शी इज ऑल्सो वेरी फोकस्ड, वो मुझे सबसे बेस्ट लगा.
Done. अब बचे बाकी सब. I'm going to do the pairing because it's fun.
नेत्रा के फन का डेफिनेशन: टीमिंग संजीव विद महजबीन, ललित विद धार्मिका, सनी विद अरीशा एंड नयान विद विशाखा. अब इस फन पेयरिंग से क्या केमिस्ट्री उबल आती है वो तो देखना पड़ेगा.
एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात, अभी तक आपने जितने भी फोटोशूट्स किए होंगे वो एक तरफ, और फैशन ड्रिल की ये पहली असाइनमेंट एक तरफ. बॉलीवुड के सबसे बड़े सुपरस्टार्स एज वेल एज द टॉप मॉडल्स, उनके साथ ये ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे शूट करते हैं, और फैशन ड्रिल के सारे फोटोशूट्स यही आपके साथ करेंगे. फॉर हिम perfection is everything. So guys, have a lovely shoot and all the very best.
Something as simple as this.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to see. But the thing is,
No, I'll
she's
tell you
actually
what's
gonna
the
look
problem.
at me.
The problem is that you are getting into direction.
शो का पहला ही दिन था, पहला ही टास्क था. हम लोग सेट पे पहुंचे और जब ये पता लगा कि फ़ोटोशूट कौन करने वाला है तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश था.
मैंने उनका एक बार शूट देखा था ऑन टेलीविजन. ही वाज शूटिंग जॉन अब्राहम देन, और तभी देख के आई वाज लाइक वाओ, वन डे आई वांट टू गेट क्लिक्ड बाय दिस मैन.
How are you feeling? शायद ये आपका पहला शूट हो या शायद आपने कई शूट्स किए हो, लेकिन मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि अगर मैं आपको एक ब्रीफ देता हूँ तो I expect it that you will follow it to the T. Whoever you are paired with, I want to see a lot of chemistry. I want to see a lot of sensuality. Okay, so all the best. Let's get going.
Thank you so much.
As the stylist has given the really exaggerated gowns and stuff, we decide to go with a very cleaner look on the face and hair. This is like the Maybelline highlighter, which I'm going to use to highlight the specific areas. Plus, I've given them really strong colors, which you can easily find at the Maybelline store.
All set?
Yes.
मैं कुछ chemistry देख सकता हूँ आप दोनों
Sure, why not?
Oh, not bad. लगता है सारे पेयर्स ने केमिस्ट्री में PhD की है.
Okay, that's very nice. हम लोग कहानी में एक ट्विस्ट कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
Axe के लेटेस्ट कैंपेन के बारे में अगर आपने सुना है, it's called the Axe Apollo campaign and it's a really cool campaign. Now all girls love a hero, right? इसीलिए Axe Apollo Space Academy ने आम ordinary लोगों को पिकअप किया है. They're training them into becoming astronauts and sending them into space, thereby making them into extraordinary people. अब astronaut से तो बढ़कर कोई हीरो हो ही नहीं सकता, right? Let's just welcome our astronaut.
God, how did they even like think about it? How did they even get the idea of getting an astronaut?
The twist in the tale is this: you are going to be cheating on your husband.
टोटली एक सस्पेंस था, सरप्राइज था, और वो एकदम जो कंसेप्ट था वो उल्टा हो गया.
I want to see a lot of chemistry between you and the astronaut. I want you to give me the expression of a husband who's completely upset with his wife.
इस मोमेंट पे कुछ स्ट्राइक नहीं किया. हमने क्या तैयारियां की है, क्या नहीं की है, वो सारी चीज़ दिमाग से हट गई.
By the count, I will only give you 10 frames.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Come on. I don't see your face. That's frame number 2 wasted. Nice. Don't look at me. Look at him. प्रियंका थोड़ी कंट्रोल्ड थी, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड थी इनिशियली. Come on, last one. But obviously she has the advantage because she posed again the second time. वीरेन, अपने expressions को और थोड़ा enlarge करो. Give me some more animated expressions.
Okay, that is the scene.
Come on, Viren, let's see some good stuff happening here. That's good, I like that. Very good, Priyanka. Okay, thank you. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस शूट में वीरेन को वो ब्रीफ जो है वो उतना समझ में नहीं आया. ललित, I'm not seeing expressions.
Okay. Wait. Just show yourself that you're into him, okay?
Lalit, I'll tell you what's the problem. The problem is that you are getting into direction. Don't get into direction. Okay, I will manage that. You handle what you're supposed to do. All right.
When Lalit started directing, I was like, okay, I guess this is how guys are. But sometimes like it restricts you to put your mind into a particular thing completely.
क्या कर रहा है यार ललित?
I was just trying to share my experience. It's all about two people shooting together. They both have to be really balanced.
सिर्फ एक्टिंग है, टेंशन मत ले. मैंने और विशाखा ने इस टास्क के लिए काफ़ी प्रिपरेशन किए थे कि कैसे पोजेस करने हैं, क्या करना है.
The theme of this shot that we are going to do right now is cheating. Cheating.
अभी विशाखा अपोलो मैन के साथ है.
तो हमारी प्लानिंग बस ऐसे ही पानी में चली गई.
मैं लाइक विशाखा को पटाके लाया हूँ और वो अपोलो मैन आके उसे ले गया.
Vishaka, lots of mood, yeah. Very good. Come on, Nayan. Improvise, Nayan. क्या मुट्ठी बना के खड़ा हो गया है तू यार? Come on, हाँ. Yes, I like that. They somehow managed to get that brief right. Last one. Very good, very good.
सर ने मुझे बताई 2-3 छोटी बारीक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें, तो बस वही था, मेरे दिमाग में वही था और मैंने कर डाला.
Don't pose. Let it be more natural. Let it be more intimate. Okay, ready? Look at him. You're getting intimate with him, not with the camera.
It was irritating for me because I gave it my all, different expressions which I have never done in my life.
I think she was not able to, get a grip on the whole brief. She kept trying to do fashion modeling, or for me that really didn't work. Okay, chalo, come on, ready? Nice, Sunny.
I want to impress him. I want it.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Come on, go closer, Mejbeen. Yes. Ha. Lovely.
I have to build up the chemistry on the spot. I didn't got any clue before.
Very good. Come on. अबे हॉरर शो लग रहा है. क्या कर रहा है?
That's frustration.
नहीं. It should be this, no? ये क्या हो गया? Okay, ये है करेगा तो कैसा लगेगा? Okay, come on.
मैंने सन्नी को हूटिंग करते हुए सुना था, चिल्लाते हुए सुना था, तो मुझे लगा कि उस लेवल का एक्सप्रेशन लेके जाना है, तो मेरे दिमाग में उस वक्त यही चल रहा था.
Lovely. Very good. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back. आप सब काफी कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हैं. किसके कॉन्फिडेंस में कितना दम है? We are going to get to see it right now. Let's go take a look at the pictures. The first pair we're going to take a look at is Priyanka and Puneet. Let's take a look at your print ad first. Aha! क्या सोच रहे थे आप?
Nothing. I was like, कि ये क्या हो गया एकदम से?
I really like the fact that the way her hands come out to push him away. And I like Puneet's expression कि ये मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. So it's a pretty good picture. I like the whole composition. Now it's time to see Viren and Priyanka's print ad. Viren, आप खुश नहीं लग रहे मुझे.
जो सुबह सर ने बोला मुझे over the top it should be animated. उस हिसाब से it's I think so fine.
Initially, you were not getting the brief. But in the final picture, you've really come out very well. So I quite like this picture.
And Priyanka, have you noticed कि आपके पहले picture से दूसरे picture में you've actually smartened up. I'm glad to see that you made use of that advantage that was given to you. Okay. Dharmika and Lalit. There's no guilt, there's no pleasure, there's nothing there. You're just लग नहीं रहा कि आप cheat कर रहे.
It's just unfortunate that I couldn't give my 100%, but on the next shoot, I'm quite sure that I'll be like surprising him.
Secondly, Lalit, the one thing that went completely against you is that the moment you started directing the shoot,
Just leave that. We can use it in the view. You just look at me. Look at me. Turn.
Okay, you're directing now? Fine.
Not directing, just helping you out.
Dharmika instantly clamped up. And if you were really someone who was doing it for the benefit of the team, yeah, you should have noticed that instantly and you should have stopped.
Not a very good picture as far as I'm concerned. And next we have Nayank and Vishaka. Nayank, आप तो खुश लगे.
पिक्चर देख के
हाँ.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है कि लाइक इतने पैसे खर्च करके मैं शादी करके लाऊं और कोई ले गया.
What do you think, Subhi? आपको क्या लग रहा है?
Nayank, I thought you gave me a lot of expressions. आपने बहुत सारे variations दिए. As far as Vishaka is concerned, she made eye contact with the hero.
Even though through the helmet and
Through the helmet and all of that, there was this whole chemistry that happened. And I think that was really, really nice about it.
Great picture. Congratulations,
Well
both
done.
of you. Next pair for us is Sunny and Arisha. मैंने सुना कि आप actually set पे चीख रहे थे, चिल्ला रहे थे to get the feeling out.
I just wanted to give all my जो भी energy थी सारी देनी थी वहाँ पे, तो वो मैंने की है.
Sunny gave a lot of variations. Arisha did a lot of body variations. But in terms of expressions, Arisha थोड़ा रह गया हूँ. That is where you guys don't really make the mark. Better luck next time.
Yes. Thank you. Mehjabeen and Sanjeev. There's the picture. Sanjeev, you're looking great.
Thank you so much.
I love it.
Thank you.
There, right from his toes, now you can see it. Subhi, उनके पाँव से लेके हाथ तक, you're showing your frustration and anger, and just basically your frustration and anger. It's coming through.
Sanjeev initially काफी funny था. Initial expressions बहुत ही hilarious थे. But उसके बाद संजीव अपने जो brief है वो अच्छी तरह समझ गए. In the two of you, I think you guys, you all did a good one.
Guys, अब वक्त है आपके पहले जजमेंट का. Nervous है ना आप लोग? Subhi, आप अनाउंस करना चाहेंगे who you felt was the best जोड़ी?
The best jodi is Nayank and Vishaka.
आपको मिलता है the badge of honor.
मेरा नाम अनाउंस सुबी सर ने किया, तो उससे ज़्यादा मेरे लिए खुशी की बात कुछ थी नहीं शो में. और ये पहला टास्क था, पहले टास्क का विनर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश था.
Competition काफी टाइट होने वाला है as we saw this time. For tonight, after such a long day, it's a wrap.
But before we do that, can we call the hero of this day the Axe Apollo astronaut?